out this pre-owned 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. This four-door minivan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chrysler has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.